Hi wonderful person, welcome in Jakarta, Indonesia. Last 2 days I stayed in affordable 3-star hotel located in center of Jakarta. Stanley Wahid Hasyim Jakarta Hotel or Stanley Boutique Hotel. Let's go, I will show you everything. Parking zone, outside terrace, on the first floor hotel lobby, restaurant just for breakfast, and on the second floor place for waiting. This is superior double room for 2 person, bed, TV. This room doesn't have view. Table, coffee, tea, teapot, bottled water, place for luggage and clothes, hair dryer, fresh towels, and shower. All rooms have air condition. Superior twin room, same like previous, but with 2 beds. Deluxe room, same facilities like superior, but have side view. Executive room, same with deluxe but bigger, provide smart TV with Netflix and better view. This is the results of Wi-Fi speed test in the room. Room prices in Stanley Boutique Hotel start from $47 per night or 700,000 IDR.